In this video clip, we will be installing our new stem. As I said before, it is vital that the new stem that you bought is exactly the same as the old one. If you have a Kohler faucet, you're only going to be able to replace it with Kohler parts. The parts between these faucets are not interchangeable, and if you do try to use a wrong part, it'll either not work properly, it'll leak, or you'll damage something. The first thing that we need to do is turn on our stem. So we're going to rotate our stem counterclockwise as if we're turning it on, and you see the top move, so that would allow the flow of water. Next, we need to go ahead and start our stem and tighten it down with our socket. And you'll have to do this for both sides.